Are you tired of cold tea?
Well, I got a tea kettle for you! Heat up your tea, but careful, it's hot. What happened? It's supposed to be hot. How does it work? Simple as fire. Literally. Watch as it lights up in flames. Watch as it lights up in flames! Run! Fire! Tea kettle. Hippies even love it. You could wear it as a purse. Hippies will walk down the street and say,
Is that a tea kettle?
and you'll say, yes it is, yes it is, and it's just for you. And then those hippies will say,
Just for me?
yes, yes it is. You can try many different teas, varieties, awesome. Lipton, African tea, green tea, peppermint, green ginger, pineapple. What am I doing here? Decaffeinated tea. Not that I would need any. My mother likes me just the way I am. Easiest way to sell tea kettles? Tell a hippie there's pot in the pot. There's pot in the pot. My tea kettle. So buy a tea kettle today. Comes with a free hippie. Try all, varieties, awesomies. Lipton, African. How does it work? Simple as fire. Literally.
Just go.
How do you work? Easiest one is the tea kettle. Kettle.
If you catch me